Namaste guys, welcome to the 18th December session of the Hindu analysis. So there is an announcement. We are coming with a quiz, CT quiz. So you can see the details here. I will share this poster on the Telegram channel itself. So please refer that. So here are two QR codes you can scan for our YouTube channel, and here is a QR code you can scan for the Telegram channel. And here it is the Telegram channel link, and the winner will not only get this like preliminary round, we will select top 4 from the preliminary round, and the prizes for top 4 are here, and the top 4 will compete in a final quiz on the YouTube, and then we will decide the who is first, who is second, who is third, who is fourth. So the prizes are here, and the winner will also get a chance to feature on one of our video. So coming to the today's newspaper, so the first article that we can see that only Modi has worked for the backward classes, says Shah. Amit Shah has said. So what you can refer here is the 102nd Amendment, which has made NCBC, National Commission for Backward Classes, a constitutional body, which is given a constitutional status. So you can refer that 102nd Amendment with respect to this, and you can also refer that when was NCBC was made and as a statutory body. So that's all you can refer from this article. So coming on to the another article, CCI freezes Amazon future deal, slaps 200 crore fine on US firm. So what is important to read here? What is CCI? What is Competition Commission of India? Is it a statutory body, executive body, or a constitutional body? Write down in comment section. And what are its function? No need to see what is Amazon future deal. That is not important for examination point of view, not at all. So coming on to the next news, here it is, Supreme Court stays probe by Bengal Commission on Pegasus. So what is important here to read is Pegasus. What is Pegasus? It is a spyware. It is manufactured by or made by an Israeli firm, NSO. So you can remember that it can be asked in certain small or state PSC examination. So here is an important news coming from the Tamil land, Tamil Thai Vajathu. I don't know the exact pronunciation, but this song has been declared as a Tamil Nadu's state song. So who has penned this song? It is Manon Mariam Sundar Nar. So you can remember that name, and you can also see here that this will be sung in 55 seconds and in Mulla Pani Ragam. So also known as Mohan Ragam. So you can write down in comment section that what is the standard time has been allotted for our national anthem. For our national anthem, like with how many seconds are there to sing Jan Gan Man. So you can remember that as well. And also when Tamil land is coming in news, you can also refer the Sangam period and the 3 Sangam which has been organized by the Pandyan kingdom. So you can refer that thing as well, and the epics, Shilapatikaram, Mani Meglai, all these things that has been written or published in that Sangam, you can also refer these things. So coming on to the page number 2 has nothing to it. Page number 3 has one important advertisement it is, but it is important, like Ganga Expressway. So it is a longest expressway of the Uttar Pradesh. So you can refer these things as well. Another important thing is that for making expressways in Uttar Pradesh, there is a special purpose vehicle called Uttar Pradesh Industrial Development Authority. So you can write down in comment section which other state, since making expressway is a job of central government, union government, but certain state government also make expressway. So you can write down in comment section that other than Uttar Pradesh, which state is currently making expressway on their own. So coming on to the page number 4 has nothing. Page number 5, here it is. On page number 5, yeah, Enchanting Ladakh 2021. So this has been organized for promoting, showcasing the exquisite Pashmina product of the Ladakh handloom and handicraft items. So you can see this, and who is organizing: the Department of Industry and Commerce of Union Territory of Ladakh. So you can remember for your state PSC examination and other examination, it is important. So coming on to the page number 6, there are 4 editorial, and all 4 are somewhat important. Like first one is for an honest broker. So this is article is talking about the RIC summit recently, that RIC summit which will be held in recent time or sooner. So you can refer that Vladimir Putin, the Russian president, is offering a role as a broker in India, mediating in between India and China. So you can refer that thing, and India, China, and Russia are part of which group, like G20 group. They are part of G20 summit group, BRICS, SCO, G20, etc., in which um, they are the common member. So this article is also talking about the S-400 missile defense system, despite the US threat of sanctions. So you can refer that thing as well. And just below that article, one important article is there when the chips are in down. So this article is talking about the semiconductor chips. So you can refer that semiconductor chips and the India's recent 76,000 crore PLI scheme for supporting the developing and manufacturing of the semiconductor in India also. So you can refer that thing. One important thing is for manufacturing of the semiconductor, you need a pure water. So just remember that fact, pure water is important. So environmental concern is also there. And land, since semiconductor industry is a labor intensive, so it has a potential to provide large scale employment. So you can refer that thing as well. So coming on to the challenge of achieving 9.5% growth rate. So this article is completely important. Like this article is talking about the NSO that release data on the gross value added and gross domestic product. So you can refer that thing. Other than what is mentioned in the article, here's PMI is also mentioned. So you can refer that purchasing manager index. This is also, if it is more than 50, then it means the expanding nature. If it is less than 50, it means the contracting nature. So other than this, what is mentioned in the article, you can refer what is ICOR, increment capital output ratio, and the formula for growth rate, which is equals to investment divided by ICOR. So India has a high ICOR. So you can refer what is the ICOR of India and what is the ICOR of USA. You can write down in comment section if you know. So another important article, for the disabled citizen to have the police they deserve. So this article is important for GS4 section can be asked in case study or the social issues section of the GS1. So you can refer that article if you want, but you can skip if you want. So another important article on the page number 7, like we have seen that Sri Lanka has without any plan, without any transition plan, has just shifted from the chemical based fertilizer to organic only. So it has produced a disaster in Sri Lanka. So what lessons we can learn from the Sri Lankan counterparts? So we need a transition plan that Sri Lanka hasn't implemented. So you can refer all these things, how farmers registered the sudden change, and we can learn from what blunder Sri Lanka has done to implement it in India also. So if you want to refer that article, it is important, but you can choose to skip that article as well. But just remember the idea. What is the idea behind this article? So it is the idea is the sudden change that has been brought by Sri Lanka without any transition plan. So transition plan is very much required to stop the farmers' resistance. As we have seen also in India, also the farm reforms, very radical shift were brought by the farm reforms, which seen the farmers' resistance in India also. So you can see that thing as well. Coming on to the page number 8, here it is. Since raising women's legal age of marriage to 21 has facing some opposition also. So you can refer that article. IUML opposes move to change age of marriage. So some person are saying that it is a Muslim encroachment of the Muslim personal law. So you can refer the Muslim personal law, how it is encroachment of Muslim personal law. You can also refer Article 44, which talks about the Uniform Civil Code, DPSP, in the DPSP. So you can refer that complete article. You will came to know that what are the mentality of the people. Like someone saying, Samajwadi Party Shafiqur Rahman Burk is saying, India is a poor country and everybody wants to marry off their daughter at an early age. So what he is trying to say, it is completely illogical. So you can refer that thing as well. Coming on to the page, another important article, 52 habeas corpus pleas pending in the Supreme Court. So what you can refer here is that 5 writ petitions that writs that can issued by Supreme Court and High Court. Supreme Court under Article 32 and High Court under Article 226, the habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, and quo warranto. All you can refer. So another important article here is this: Kovind inaugurates the Kalibari temple in Dhaka. So the temple which was destroyed by the Pakistani forces during 1971 war. So what is the temple name? Here it is Sri Ramana Kali Mandir Temple in Dhaka. So that can be asked in some state PSC examination. Another important article on page number 9. Um, page number 9 has, yeah, here it is. Modi to get Bhutan's top civilian award. So with this award, Prime Minister Modi will have the 9 foreign awards under his name. So only Emmanuel Macron of France, which has who has 11 foreign civilian awards, and Xi Jinping, who have 14 foreign civilian awards, are ahead of Prime Minister Modi. So you can refer that thing as well. And Xi Jinping, the awards Xi Jinping has, he must he can purchase that award. उनके कर्म ऐसे नहीं है कि उनको सरकारें अपने आप देंगी award. So that you can refer. Like PM Modi has get Bhutan's, UAE, Russian award, France award, everything that you can note down for your state PSC examination. Very important. So France is ready to supply more Rafale jets, said by also one important WHO emergency nod for Serum Institute Covovax. So Serum Institute of India is developing its own vaccine as well. So you can refer that thing. Another important article about the helicopters of 3 services see 15 accident in last 15 years. So Indian Air Force has currently 131 Mi-17 VIP choppers in service. So you can refer that article as well, why Indian Air Force is carrying such choppers when they are meeting accident too often. So you can see that as well. Coming to the page number 10, here it is, ecologist post changes to Biological Diversity Act 2002. So very important article, very important article. Why? Because the bill is prioritize the commercial trade at the cost of conserving biological resources. So this Biological Diversity Act 2002 was brought to implement the Convention on Biological Diversity that was signed in 1992. That was came in 1992 Earth Summit. So you can refer that thing as well. And the Cartagena and Nagoya Protocol. Cartagena Protocol, which talks about the living modified organism, and Nagoya Protocol, which talks about the Aichi target. You can with respect to Convention on Biological Diversity. So you can refer these things as well. Coming to the page number 11. This is international politics. So you can refer here, Russia drafts pact to limit US, NATO role in ex-Soviet nation. US hits China's DJI, the drone manufacturing company of the China, for the Uyghur Muslim right issues. So you can see these things as well. Not so important, but news in transition, you can remember that thing as well. So on coming on to page number 12, RBI push on card security may hit merchants, lenders. So this is also news in transition. If some concrete for examination point of view comes, we will cover here. And another important article here is advanced tax collection rises to 54%. So you can see what is advanced tax and how it indicating the economy's recovery. So you can see these things as well for the examination point of view. And one important article was there. Here it is, Department of Technology to simplify the process for satellite service node. So recently we have seen that certain satellite-based internet providing companies are emerging, like OneWeb, which is backed by the Bharti Airtel, Starlink, which is backed by the Elon Musk SpaceX company. So you can refer that thing as well. You can remember that OneWeb is India's backed by India's Bharti Group, that is owned by, of course, Airtel, and Starlink is backed by SpaceX. So you can remember for examination point of view these facts. So that's all from today's newspaper. We'll meet tomorrow again. And for the more information on quiz, you can refer, you can follow our channel, Telegram channel. Link is in description box.